How to fix PocketBase Docker error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Docker error on PocketBase. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, in order to fix PocketBase Docker error, basically what happens is you must bind the HTTP host to 0.0.0.0. You can also try to fix permissions on the mounted PB data directory and properly structure the volume mount paths. Because PocketBase is packaged as a single standalone binary, Docker crashes almost always stem from incorrect startup flags, address binding issues, or SQLite file locks. And these are a couple of ways that you can choose to fix PocketBase Docker error. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.